Let me show you how to download MLJAR Studio for Windows. First of all, go to MLJAR.com and click Get MLJAR Studio button. Then you have to log in or sign up if you don't have your account yet. After that, go to the downloads and find release version for Windows. Then click Get it and download to start the process. When it's done, open the MLJAR Studio setup file, choose More Info and then Run Anyway. After that, this window will appear, and if you want to continue installation, you have to confirm it. Now click I agree button to start. Click Finish to close the window and run the app. Then you have to install Python because it's necessary to run MLJAR Studio. After installation, open new session and create new Python notebook. That's all. Enjoy coding!